Hello, I'm Casey Hill.
And I'm Michaela Corbett, and we're focusing on the myth that states it's better to express anger to others than to hold it in.
There are many misconceptions in the realm of psychology. In life, don't you think it's a given that everyone will experience hardships or obstacles in some fashion to overcome?
Absolutely. Both negative and positive events in one's life could result in an emotional response that could impact actions.
Why is this myth so popular?
People often mistakenly attribute the fact that they feel better after they express anger rather than to the fact that anger usually subsides on its own after a while. A study shows 66% of college students,
Including both of us.
were in agreement with the belief that removing all repressed anger could lower the danger of hostility. Psychological problems could arise through not expressing emotions, and in the book When Anger Hurts, Matthew and Judith McKay and Peter Rogers explain the negative side effects of when anger is held in.
What did they say in their book?
In the end, they said that we must express anger properly because it could be the difference in reacting verbally or physically.
I totally agree. We weren't surprised when all the opinions we received leaned toward expressing anger because emotions don't diminish over time. We know from experience this situation could arise again if not dealt with properly. One personal anecdote was, you need to be calm if you confront someone, but if you need to yell, then yell into a pillow, in which I do not believe after our research. In exploring psychology, David G. Myers illustrates punching an object has no benefits.
I guess I need to stop punching my pillow.
Ha ha! Brad J. Bushman wrote a journal focusing on the debate between if venting anger feeds or extinguishes the flame. Bushman taught Michaela when she copes by hitting a pillow, it impacts her to be more aggressive. It should not cause physical or emotional harm to others, and luckily for us, there are ways you can express anger in a sincere, nonviolent, and non-threatening manner.
Another personal anecdote we received was, it's better to address the issue up front to diminish the chance of that person further angering and endangering the relationships. This personal anecdote is supported by empirical data because statistics reveal 1 in 5 individuals admit they have experienced ruining a relationship with a friend or family member due to giving anger permission to take over.
Have you ever lost a friend because you weren't careful with your words?
Sadly, I have. The one differing opinion we received was, it depends, meaning that expressing anger could vary among different people.
We agree with this personal anecdote completely. However, it is evident our opinion and research does support expressing anger over holding anger in.
To further clarify, expressing anger could be acceptable so long as you don't hurt yourself or others or even your pillows.
People tend to feel better after releasing their anger in their own way.
Anger is essential for our survival when we need to stand up for ourselves when we feel taken advantage of or attacked, but we need to remember it is not okay to physically lash out at others. So how do we end anger?
We suppress it.
How?
You can start by pointing out negative actions through your words to express your true feelings.
What will that do?
It will transform your behavior through cognitive reconstruction. Constant criticizing and cursing are signs of an angry person and can reflect their inner thoughts.
Replacing this behavior with logic or conformity to reason produces a more positive result.
Common sense, social norms, and laws limit the amount of anger one can express.
You're totally right. Overall, it's important to recognize the appropriate response to situations. Our research supports our myth, is it better to express anger or hold it in? However, it suggests a more specific clarification is needed.
Therefore, we believe the myth should be transformed to say, it's better to express anger through a non-destructive and tranquil approach compared to holding in your anger, because this allows for no confusion in how anger should be expressed. Thank you.
And just be happy.